there again, everybody. Boyd here with you. Well, this is Polar Light's 1/350 scale Enterprise build number 50. Kind of a little bit of a milestone here. Kind of proud of that. That's a lot of these kits that I've built over the last few years. And I wanted to share this build with you guys. This is for my client, Bobby. This is the last Enterprise I'm going to be building for a while. I'm going to take a break from doing these until sometime in the fall or maybe early winter. But Bobby had some special requests on this one, and it's got some unique features on it that we thought we'd share with you guys. I'm calling this video part 1 because we're going to come back here right soon after this and show you the model mounted on a custom display base. A really cool base that Jerry at HDA Model Works has worked up for this with some of Bobby's ideas and some of the ideas he had. I think you guys will like seeing that. But just wanted to show you the ship today. Starting out, you can kind of see the hull color here. Bobby wanted to have a little bit lighter shade than what I normally use. To his eye, that's what the ship more looked like in the original TV series, so he just kind of went with a little bit more white in my mixture that I've been talking about using over the last several builds, and it turned out real nice. He also wanted to use the older Polar Lights kit that has the grid lines on the saucer, so we did that for him. And then we built in the detail of the bridge up here with lighting on all the screens and consoles in there. Hopefully you guys can see that a little bit. We'll turn it around here in a second and show you the other side. We've got the Tenna Controls motorless LED set up in this for the Bassards, which he's got multiple speeds. Once we set it up on the base, he'll be able to switch speeds with that. And then I also built this one where you have the lighted inner chiller grills, and I've set this up with wiring so it can be switched off and on. You know, people talk about it not being Canon, so you've got the ability to just hit a switch and turn them off if you don't like the blue lighted effect, and then the grills appear just that normal silver color that they should be. So we got that worked in. We put some navigation lights on the top of the right behind the Bassards here, which Bobby also requested. I'll see if I can show you the bottom here. Bobby decided to go with a kind of a unique color scheme on this. We've got those concentric rings on the bottom of the saucer. I painted those the same color blue as we have on the forward part of the neck there. That was something that Bobby wanted to do, and I was a little skeptical about it at first, but I gotta say they look pretty cool. I think they actually look like they fit, so that came out pretty cool. And then he wanted some gray detail here on the side of the secondary hull. These little areas right here that we added a little bit extra. And then to finally top it off, we built the Shuttle Bay all out on this one, and I added a little bit of fiber optic detail in there. Hopefully you guys can see that if I can get close enough. We lighted the Shuttle Bay like it's all active and ready to take off, and there you can see some detail up on the ceiling. That video I made a little while back showing you all the SMDs and everything that we hooked up to this. It probably has about 20 SMDs altogether to make all the lighting work inside the Shuttle Bay, and these are difficult to get all that lighting in there, but it worked out in the end. We've got the other side all finished up here too. Got all the lights working. Bobby wanted to have the lights on the entire ship lit up, like she's fully active, so we did that for him. And then one little thing here to show you too is we did the impulse engines in blue. Bobby's a big fan of the blue color, so we went with that for him. Gotta say, I kind of like that too. Pretty cool. So there's just a quick sneak peek at it, you guys. In the next week or two, hopefully I'll be back and I'll show you the final product here, because it's really going to pop once it's sitting on the base. The base has some illumination that kind of helps light up the model from below, and it's got some cool features built into it, and we'll share that with you when it all gets set up here. Just to show you, I've got the Eagle ready to go over on the workbench over here. We're starting on that build series next. Probably put out a video on that Sunday with part 1. I'm going to take you through this whole thing one step at a time. We've got some photo etch parts to put on it. We've got the new decal graphics set for it. I think it's a multi-page set that came out from round 2 where you can add weathering and some extra markings and things like that. I decided I'm going to build it up as the medical version here because I've always liked the you know, the bright red stripes on the cargo container. So we'll be getting that going here, and we'll take you through the whole thing pretty much step by step. So that'll be fun to follow along with that. And that's about it, you guys. So we'll be back here in the next couple days, probably Sunday. Maybe the video pop for you guys on Sunday evening, and we'll get started on that Eagle. And then we're going to go back after that and finish up several of the shelf queens that have been sitting here the Viper that I started, and a couple other kits that I started that got put off to the side. And then I'm getting all worked up to do the Enterprise E by AMT, do some lighting and everything on that. So that'll get started before too long here too. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this Enterprise number 50. Kind of proud to reach that that number. That's a lot of these have been put out there, and I continue hearing from a lot of the people that have them, and they're very happy with them. They're still working fine, so that's really a pleasure to hear that, and I really appreciate everyone that's got one of these from me and gave me the opportunity to build it. I just still really enjoy building these, but I just decided to take a little time off during the summer to get to some of my other stuff and just relax for a little bit. So we'll see you guys back soon with another video, probably Sunday afternoon. Until then, take care and happy modeling, everyone.